Greetings to everyone.
Continue.
Common Sense chapter 1 verse 12 says, if you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are doing business, not kindness. Sure you dey see am, look am well. You dey see wetin I dey no dey look me. For say you know say my face resemble that line wey dey for your video. You still dey look me. Look wetin I dey show you. If you are doing something and expecting something in return and you didn't explain it to that person at the beginning, you are doing business, not kindness. And if you are doing something and you didn't explain it to that person on time, Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. If you are doing something and expecting something from someone, if you are helping somebody and expecting something from that person and you didn't explain to that person well at the beginning, Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. If you want to help a woman and you don't explain and say, na so e go dey give you this thing every day, say e go dey give you this and that every month.
Oh my God.
Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. If you want to help someone travel out of the country and you no explain and say he go give you that land wey dey under mango tree, you don't explain and give am at the beginning before starting anything, and you do am finish, come dey expect that land wey dey under the mango tree. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Look am well. Common Sense chapter 1 verse 12. If you are doing something, if you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are just doing business, not kindness anymore. And you wey wan accept that offer, you want to accept that offer, say you no mean, no be to just this thing, no be just this thing, e no end there. E no end there. Na so you go dey pay am every day, na so you go dey pay am dey go. And na that the same person wey put you for that work wey you accept, na that the same person na him go still pursue you comot for the work, na that the same person na him go still drive you comot for the work. Ọ bụrụ na ị mere accept na such agreement, ọkwa that the same person nya ka ya achụkwa gị na the ọrụ. Ọ bụrụ na iso among those they put something in mind, they put price in mind when they help somebody. Ọ bụrụzie na onye ahụ emezighị ihe ahụ i kwuru, ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ emeghozie at last imechasị bịa na-agwazi ya anya nọọ ife ahụ ife ichichi maka ihe emere ya ife a, nọọ ife ahụ ife ọ ga-emerụ gị, o mezighị ihe ịtagịba ya sị a na-emere ọgụ bụrụ ọgọba ọfịa. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. When you are helping someone and expecting something in return, and you didn't explain to that person on time, you didn't tell that person, say, I dey help you because of this thing. If I help you, now this thing now I go get. If I help you, now this thing now you go do for me. You no tell that person on time. You no tell that person at the beginning. You can't reach where the person don dey at the middle, where the person don dey for the journey. You can't dey tell am say, you go do this for me or I go stop you doing what you are doing. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. When you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are just doing business, not kindness. And if you are doing it, if you are among those that is doing it, Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. And if you are helping someone without knowing the person, you are helping someone without having anything in mind. You are helping someone without calculating what you will benefit or where this person is from or who is in father or the qualification of that person. You are just helping with all your mind. Na God na go bless you. God go bless you more and more. Na so your blessing go dey multiply every day. As you dey help, na God na go bless you. Na God na go dey double your blessing dey go. Na God na go double your blessing dey go. If you want to help someone, just help that person with clear mind. Just help that person with your free mind. Just help that person with your church mind. No dey attach anything. But if you attach anything, Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Look at it. Na Common Sense chapter 1 verse 12. Na him talk am, not me talk am. I no talk anything. You dey look me upon say you know say this face resemble that shrine wey dey for your village. You still dey look me. Dey look wetin I dey show you. If you are helping someone and they're expecting something in return and you didn't explain to the person on time, you didn't do it as agreement with that person. You can't reach at last, you can't tell that person say I help you because say I know say you go give me this thing or because say you go give me this thing. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Let me talk about. Share this message and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maka Chineke ịkpọ gị ọkụ ma ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a na-eme ife a. Mana ọ bụrụ na isoro, onye nwe anyị gọzie gị, nna m gọzie gị, were okwu nwa mmadụ wee mere ife. Ma ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a na-eme ife a, sere aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọọ aka mmadụ. Maka na ife imerụ mmadụ ga-erute gị tomorrow.